So what I meant when I advised you to use key down to change the value of is right pressed currently was here to not move the player. This is strange, but yeah, my advice is just use displays for setting a value to is right pressed currently. Well, when is the player going to move? In this case, if we just left the code like this, the player will never move. You can see that now I'm pressing right and nothing is going on. Even that is right press currently is true. By the way, while I was typing, I wasn't pressing right. This is strange. Never mind. What I needed was a second if here in the update that will actually move the player. So this is the place for the line of code myx to be equal of myx plus, for example, 10. This is going to apparently be not a good number now, but it's a surprise for you. There is not a surprise, but a hard thing to think about the round brackets of the if. What to write in them? Well, a lot of the kids that I'm already teaching think that apparently we need to check if is right pressed currently is exactly equal to true. This is a pretty strange if to me. First, I want to show you that it works. Yes, if I see my game, I can see that in the beginning the player is not moving, but if I start pressing right arrow, the player started moving too fast. By the way, there is a problem because I released the right arrow. You can see me that you can now see that again I'm going to start pressing right arrow, and you can see here that I'm stopping to press right arrow pretty soon. But anyway, the player is continuing forever. This is your next task, but before you start working about it, I want you to talk a little bit about this condition and why I don't like it. Apparently, whoever feels the need to write this thinks that Boolean variable like is right pressed currently should be compared to something. Well, we had a lot of situations with if and number that we needed to compare if it's exactly equal to a number, so that's why we used double equal sign. And now this is not the case. Is right pressed currently is not a number variable. We are pretty careful to give it only values that are Boolean. So this is a Boolean, and if I use equal sign, I can compare it and get a Boolean result. So I can have a Boolean result from this Boolean variable. This is kind of stupid. Why would I need it? Why would I need to compare a Boolean to a true or a false and get again a true or a false? I needed to compare a number to another number like 39, but now that I have already Booleans, I don't need to compare them to another Boolean. If I need to do this, why stop here? Think for a while, what is this value in our new round brackets? What is it? What type is it? Is it a number? No, it has equal sign, so this is apparently a Boolean. Well, if we need to compare booleans to, then we will need to write something like this here. But this is again boolean, so let one more time has new brackets. No. Is this scary? Yes, this is scary, and if you feel the need to write this, you can try to hear it in English language too. What if you have the boolean variable is the soup code and you want to ask your parent about the soup, and we will ask, is the soup hot equal to true? Or perhaps this is not enough and you should ask, is true equal to is the soup hot equal to true? This is horrible, isn't it? Yes. You don't need any of those. Please delete all of them, and what you need is one closing round bracket, one opening round bracket, and in them only is right press currently. It's okay here because it is a boolean, and on this place in the if we want exactly booleans. Some of you might ask, what if I want to compare something to false? What if I want to check if the soup is not hot? Wait. Did you hear me? I said not hot. Is there any way we can write this word not? Yeah, this is what we learned 2 lessons ago. Exclamation mark is the way to say no. Is right press currently equal to false can be said if not is right press currently. So this is a way to check if the right key is not pressed. And you can actually use this to, for example, if you want to execute some code when the player is not pressing right. Such a thing will be more useful in a game like Jetpack Joyride, when we had a key like up or jump, and we used it to go up, and instead we had another scenario in which we had to fall. So we can use else or 2 ifs, and in one of the ifs we can use not. None of this is a problem now. Please don't write scary ifs. This is totally fine for the update for now. But we have a different problem. Once my player has started to move right, once is right press currently has become true, it never becomes false. You need to create a good place for this variable to become false. This is an easy task now that we have all our new knowledge about key down and key up. Did you forget to write it on your sheet of paper? Start with adding your knowledge and then use it to make is right press currently false somewhere.